So, how many of you today listened to 10 to the Top, the new Popmaster quiz replacement on Radio 2? I have my opinions of it, and I'm afraid they were not that good. You may have liked it. I'd like to know what you think about it. This sort of presenting is very reminiscent really of Radio 1, which is really like Radio 2 wants to become now, isn't it? All fast talking, really quick, try to drum up excitement, make it this all encompassing fast talking chat show thing, and radio plays that are music that is more representative of Radio 1. So to give you an idea that this kind of thing is not modern or new, it's not anything new, this kind of let's drum it up the excitement type of thing, because you know what, back in the 60s when the pirate ships were out on the North Sea off the Essex coast, there was one out there, and they were very much like today's music. It was called Swinging Radio England. It was a pirate ship, and in '66 they imported some American DJs to kind of give it this all sort of excitement kind of thing. So I've got a little clip here, see what you think, and you'll see the sort of kind of similarity that Radio 2 are trying to get to, I believe. But anyway, have a little listen. I'll put it on for you.
It's 3 minutes after 2 now. Ron O'Quinn on the radio from Swinging Radio England, home of the Boss Jocks and all that music.
Golly.
Gee whiz.
Swinging Radio England, where there's action.
Action's out of the Hollies now, and bus stop. It's 3 after 2. Don't you know, Boss Jocks play much more music.
So there you have it. Take it or leave it. That's what Radio 2 is trying to emulate and coming to being the same as Radio 1. Let's make it all encompassing, all exciting. Any listeners like me that may be up in the 60, 70 range, and we like our old 60s or 70s, their kind of music's been faded away more in favour of 90s music onwards, and more often than not, usually more modern stuff. And don't get me wrong, I do like some modern stuff. I'm not against modern music. Just obviously that when you're in the older bracket, you do like the odd old one thrown in, but they seem to be getting a bit thin on the ground on Radio 2. Anyway, that's all. That's my little grudge. Tell me what you think about it, and if you listen to the new pop quiz on Radio 2, what you thought about it. I'd be very interested to know. Put it in the comments below, and I'll catch you next time. Derek and 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.